Hey, hello traders, welcome to my channel. This will be a mind-blowing video, I guarantee you guys, so please watch till the end. So it's Rocket Trading here. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to tell you about money management, about these important skills that you will learn in this channel in order to make you a better and a more profitable trader. You will earn these profits in this channel, guys, so subscribe to the channel and like the video. So today's topic is how to recover from a trading loss. Okay, I know you're losing. Okay, me too. I have been in your place. I have lost so many money, so I know you will feel emotion. Okay, so I know it will be disheartening. You will feel pretty frustrating. You want to quit and give up. What I'm going to do in this video, guys, is to give you some practical advice for dealing in this situation. Remember, I have lost approximately $1,000 in trading because I have a mindset of making money rich. So this is not the same. So you need to change your mindset. So I will give you some practical advice for dealing in this situation so that you can go away from here feeling encouraged with the right perspective. If it is your goal to become a profitable trader and to enjoy all the benefits that it can bring you, and you want to see progress in your trading for all the hard work you are putting in, you want to know what you are doing, you want to feel good about yourself, about your careers you are choosing, then when it comes to losing streak, where I know it, guys, it will demotivate you. Some of you will quit. So hit the like button. I will show you how you can overcome this, guys. You will learn so much in this channel, so watch till the end. The first thing that in order to recover from a trading loss is you need to understand your phrase you are in trading. You know what phrase you are in order to get rid of the situation. If you don't have 80% winning ratio, so practice more and more. If you have a 70% winning ratio, some of you can make good profit, but 80% winning ratio is best because you know what you are doing. So you need to understand, guys, that the money will always be here. This will always be there in the forex market and binary option. The money will always be there. So guys, don't rush the process. Okay, take time to understand the chart and other things. So if you are in the first phrase, you relying on indicators, it is not enough for you to become a profitable trader. Always understand the behavior of the market. So you need to understand some technique, some charts, some patterns that you need to understand first in order to make good profits. So you need to learn about candlestick psychology. Comment, guys, below. I will make a video on it. Please comment because I need to know about your thought. Okay, you need to relax. Take just if you lose, if you are losing consecutively, just relax, take some rest after losing. Just go on the internet, watch some funny videos, guys. Yes, me too, I have done this. Watch some funny videos, spend time with your family, or go running or playing football, whatever you do. So what you need to do is you need to get rid of that losing in your mind. So what you need to do is you go playing with your friends, you go to football, you spend some time with your family, family, and you try to recover and set up the right mindset which is required in the market. So you need to don't rush the process. You need to get rid of the losing mindset. So go playing, go watching TV, go watching some funny things that will help you to forget about the losses. Okay, so guys, like the button below and subscribe to my channel because these things are very important. Even if you are a professional, you will face some loss. You need to understand this. no one predict 100% right in the market, so you will face some loss. Okay, secondly, you need to think trading as a long-term business. Okay, you need to make trading as a second source of income. Don't worry, and you don't need to have a make money quick online mindset. For me, guys, in the beginning, I have a mindset of making quick money, so I deposited $1,000 and I have lost all in one trade. So always take your time, set achievable goal, for example monthly, weekly. So you need to understand that trading is a business. Sometimes you will lose, sometimes you will win. There is no 100% winning ratio. If it is a 100% winning ratio, this person or probably a scam. So guys, be very cautious, and you need to think it as a business, so that you get rid of some emotion. So the third reason is you need to find the issues why you lost. Learn from your error before you take trades. Write down why you take trades. What is your winning edge, and what is the odds which are against you when you lost. For example, here you place a high option here, you place a higher option here, but it go against your prediction, it go down. But why you lost here? How you see here, the support, it will become a resistance. So guys, watch the last video I have made on support and resistance. You see here, the support, it become a resistance. So when you lost, you will know about your mistake. For example, you need to know why you lost, what odds are against you. There will be always odds that are against you, so you need to understand them and try to not make the same mistake over and over again. So also you need to take some days off. For example, if you invest $10, and if you invest $10, okay, you deposit $10 and you have lost $5 in 5 trades, I don't know, so $5, take some days off, forget about the mistake, just relax, relax and have some fun, forget about the losses. Then you will be fine. Your mindset will change, and you will learn about your losses, why you lost. So don't invest large amount of money, because when you invest large amount of money, you will lose more. For example, if you have $10 and you invest $5, if you lost, you will lose $5. So this large amount of money will make you, will demotivate you, and sometimes it makes some people quit, because I know it's very hard getting this money. So guys, don't invest large amount of money, your precious money that you have earned from hard work. So don't invest large amount of money. Okay, so guys, hit this like button and subscribe. So let's jump into the 5 reasons. You need to understand that losing is important. Okay, losing can also have a good side. Some of you always think losing as a negative things. So losing will help you to know about your mistake. It will help you to avoid repeating the same mistake over and over again. For example, if you lost in one trade, you will know why you have lost. Okay, sometimes when you take the same trade, you will be very cautious, and you will learn more and more. So mistakes, so it will help you to understand your mistake and help you to not making the same mistake over and over again. It will help you to know your performance in the market. For example, if you take 5 trades and you have lost 4 trades and you have win 1, it will help you to know where you are in trading, which performance you are providing, and which phrase you are in trading, which phrase you are in the market. So guys, please learn more. When you learn, you will earn. Hey guys, I have learned it online. When you learn,